The bog site I'd like to talk about is the lodgepole pine, Pinus contorta. We'll see this species of tree quite abundantly in town as well, so I'll just touch on it really briefly as an introduction here at the bog site. So if you're looking in your Trees in Canada book by Farrar et al., I'm on page 60. You can see the range map and some nice details about the pine species here. So it's broadly distributed across the province. Lodgepole pine grows in all kinds of site conditions. So we have it here growing on a really wet, nutrient-poor site. You could see the standing water in this site. So this is the end of May. The snow is all melted off. The bugs are just coming out. So there's still a lot of standing water in here. It will dry up a little bit over the summer, but this site will remain wet all summer long. But lodgepole pine can grow here on these really wet, nutrient-poor sites and can also be found on really dry, nutrient-poor sites as well, and into more richer sites. So it's a really diverse species, or a species that can grow on a wide diversity of sites. So one of the key identifying features of a lodgepole pine is that yellowy greenish tinge to the needles. And of all pine species, the needles are in bundles. So on the lodgepole pine, the needles are found in bundles of 2. So we'll see other species later on that have needles, different numbers. Our white pines have needles in bundles of 5, but our lodgepole pine that grows locally around Prince George area, also subject to the mountain pine beetle, has needles in bundles of 2. So that's quite a young tree right there. And we have some more mature trees growing over here. Not really tall and vigorous yet. You can see on the bark of the tree as it gets older, it becomes quite scaly. So this scaly, flaky bark is pretty distinct to lodgepole pine, but also our spruce species that we'll see. This tree does have some cones, but they're way up high and I can't get any, so we'll go over that again a little bit later.